Hi everyone, I'm here once again. Today's video I'm going to teach you on how to enable the comment section of your YouTube videos if YouTube automatically disabled it. So today I'm going to teach you how to enable it. It is so easy. It only takes 1 minute, or not 1 minute if you're just fast. But before that, I would just want to say thank you so much for the subscribe that I have in the past few months, the like, the comment, the support that I've got. Thank you so much everybody. Thank you so much guys. I owe you a lot. And also to my cousin, very supportive one, Liza Largo. Shout out to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And also to Kevin Baluna and Alas King TV. Hi guys, if you're watching, please comment down below. So let's go.
Why you desire me of every season? Lick up the spatula and keep it squeaky clean. Yeah, I'm falling every time. Hey, whipping cream and frosting. Oh, how you
Now let's start. In this video, the first thing that you need to do, without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay, this is only takes a minute. So you need to go to your YouTube Creator Studio. Once you are done, go to setting, click setting. It is down, and then after, go to channel. Once you are done, click the advanced setting, and there are three things that you need to choose. So please choose the no. Set this channel as not made for kids, and then click save. And then once again, go back to setting and click upload default and advanced settings. Go to comment, and then comment visibility, and then click the hold potentially inappropriate comment for review, and then click save. Once you are finished, go to your video and take those video that is the comment section is disabled. In my case, I have two videos that YouTube disabled it. So I will click two of my videos, my latest one and the second one, and then I click edit, and then go to comment, click comments, and then new value, click once again the hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, and click update videos. That's it. But before that, you need to click I understand the implication of this action and update videos. Wait for it and go to your video. Check if the comment section is already enabled. By the way, in my case, the comment section was enabled, but after a few hours it was disabled again. So what I did was I repeat the same steps. Still hold inappropriate comment, no, set this channel, and then click the hold inappropriate comment for reviews, and update video. And when I check it, if the comment section was already enabled, and now it is already permanently enabled. You can check my videos, it's already permanently. I'm sorry, but I forgot to screenshot before that it was disabled. Actually, I don't have plan to make videos on how to do it, but since I want to help you guys, so yeah, I screen recorded it. So I hope that you learned something from today's video. Please don't forget to comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Please support me, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click the bell button for more updates, to for you to be updated from my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please don't forget to comment down below, give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Click the bell button. Okay, bye.